Sogisane kaito obobedo ka waduogo wadhi mbele kotwak marwa winjane monde.
The law enforcement agencies, or rather to the law enforcement agencies. The beneficial owner register managed by the Business Registration Service has become an essential investigative tool, reducing the turnaround time in establishing the real and the beneficial ownership of companies. Access to verified beneficial ownership data by competent authorities now supports both conviction and non-conviction based forfeiture. These combined efforts and reforms have already resulted in stronger interagency collaborations and coordination. It has also reduced the turnaround time for mutual legal assistance requests and improved asset recovery outcomes, evidence that a coherent and national approach yields measurable progress. As the saying goes, unity is always strength. Kenya's experience offers insightful lessons for members in the region and beyond. Distinguished delegates, as we continue to collaborate under the East African Anti-Corruption Platform, we must ensure our legal frameworks are in tandem with the evolving corruption trends, from virtual assets and trade-based money laundering to complex beneficial ownership concealment. I note the overall objective of this workshop is to develop a set of regional indicators to measure progress in implementing asset recovery related recommendations from the regional platform conference, among others. These indicators will help benchmark performance, promote transparency, and enhance public confidence in our anti-corruption efforts. When presented to the EAACA Assembly later this month, these indicators should reflect our shared operational realities and regional priorities. Ladies and gentlemen, as I conclude, I reaffirm that the achievements we highlighted today are the result of strong partnerships between agencies across borders and with stakeholders such as UNODC, whose support continues to strengthen our institutional and technical capacities. Let us sustain this momentum. Together, we can ensure that the fight against corruption, money laundering, and terrorism financing remains not just a reactive, but a transformative, restoring public trust and securing development gains for future generations. As part of a wider strategy to enhance anti-corruption research and our capacities in financial investigations and asset recovery, I call upon all members to support the establishment of the Center for Anti-Corruption Strategies and Research in Africa, which we anticipate to be launched in Kenya during the 8th African Anti-Corruption Authorities AGM sometime in June 2026. The center will serve our law enforcement agencies to tackle emerging issues in the fight against corruption, including money laundering and asset recovery within the African context. Let us commit to a region where integrity is the norm, not the exception, where public resources serve the people, not a few. So with those many remarks, I want to thank you so much for listening to me, and I also wish you fruitful deliberations. Thank you so much.
Ramogi joanga manoro mumukelo jokanyo mopogore opogore kakoro giporo wacha ebi okenge magidwa keto pinya e kedo kod wechego mag mibadhi ahinya to e kin pinje manitiere e Afrika ma ugwe kaachiel kod Afrika